Welcome, friends. Today's topic is properties and uses of cement concrete. So, let's get started. This is the picture of cement and concrete. This is cement and this is concrete. The constituent of concrete is cement and aggregate. The aggregate is two type: fine aggregate and coarse aggregate. So, this is the question: what are the properties and uses of cement concrete? Properties and uses of cement concrete. The answer is properties. The cement concrete possesses the following important properties. First, it has a high compressive strength. Second, it is free from corrosion and there is no appreciable effect of atmospheric agents on it. Third point, it hardens with age and the process of hardening continue for a long time after the concrete has attained sufficient strength. This property of cement concrete gives it a distinct place among the building materials. Fourth point, it binds rapidly with steel and as it is weak in tension, the steel reinforcement is placed in cement concrete at suitable places to take up the tensile stresses. This is termed as the reinforced cement concrete RCC. Fifth point, it is proved to be more economical than steel. This is due to the fact that sand and aggregates forming the bulk of cement concrete to the extent of about 80 to 90% are usually available at moderate cost. Sixth point, the formwork which is of steel or timber can be used over and over again or for other purpose after it is removed. Seventh point, it has a tendency to be porous. This is due to the presence of voids which are formed during and after its placing. The two precautions necessary to avoid the porous tendency are as follows. A point, there should be proper grading and consolidating of the aggregates. B point, the minimum water cement ratio should be adopted. 8 point, it forms a hard surface capable of resisting abrasion. 9th point, it should be remembered that apart from other materials, the concrete comes to the site in the form of raw materials only. 10th point, its final strength and quality depends entirely on local conditions and persons handling it. However, the materials of which concrete is composed may be subjected to rigid specifications. Uses. Following are the uses of concrete. First point, concrete is extensively used in construction of various structures such as buildings, bridges, dams, canals, barrages, reservoirs, pavements, railway sleepers, tanks, retaining wall, tall structures, underwater structures, chimneys, tower, docks and harbors, etc. Second point, concrete is used for construction of various architectural compositions such as walls, domes, shells, bridges, etc. Third point, concrete is also used in pre-stressed construction.